Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see who this is from. Well, we have stamped cross stitches. And this comes from GBFKE. I'm just going to set the other one up over here. And the first one is a 40 by 40. It was $10.86. And let's take a look. Flip it over. Everything's moving left to right here. All right, so we have kind of a blue, I don't know what you call it, like it's not a mandala, just blue leaves, or a blue flower. In the middle, it does have some green leaves, so I guess this is the flower part. It's very pretty, and it's made from this company that, like I had before. Now, let's take a look at the paper pattern. I'm just going to bring you in so you can see that picture a little bit better without me wavering it left and right. But this comes from that company that does not put numbers in the big areas. There is a little bit of a smudge right through here, but doesn't hurt a thing. Does come with instructions on the paper pattern. It is an 11 count. And let's open it up and see how the rest of it is. There's a little bit of smudging right in here, but I'm not real concerned. I usually don't use, myself, I mean, I will let them know, but very rarely do I use the paper pattern. And it has 34 colors. And there's no numbers in the big areas. So, and I had another one come about like this. I can't remember which one it was. But anyway, let's see. It has 154. No 310. No 550 purple. It does have 939, no 823, no 3371, does have B 5200, and yeah, but I think it's going to be beautiful. I really want it. I'm anxious to see the colors and how this all comes together. But look at those deep, dark blues. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So, I don't know if these are going to be the new norm or what, but they better stop smearing their patterns. Slow down, all y'all. Just, see, it's just not that bad. It's just real light, and you can tell what it is. So, I'm not worried. Let's see what else comes in this kit. Oh dear. So, comes with a toolkit with a fish. Looks like a carp, not a koi. It has 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. We'll just set that aside. Yeah, the reason I said, you'll see here in a second. This does have the product number here, I'm sorry, and how big it is here. I didn't see any, where it says how many squares per square. Let's take a look at the threads that I'm about. Yeah, I saw somebody else open one of these kits like this and went, huh, that hasn't happened to me yet. Here we are. We have arrived, folks. We have arrived, and I am not happy at all. What in the heck are these? trying to get everybody so nobody's stuck. Well, they're nice and long. So if you have more than a few strands, so this is all be 5,200. There are 6 separate sections. I've never seen them tore off like this. Why? Why would you do that? Oh my gosh. 3842. Isn't that beautiful teal? Just gorgeous. That's 995. We had 996 the other day. We have, if I could get a hold of it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections of 939. 820. Isn't that a beautiful? It's like a Kansas City Royal blue. Yeah, I love that color. It's so pretty. And I'll try to pick these up. Why would you do this? This is just irritating. I do have a ring. I reiterate that that's somewhere. That I got when somebody's, and I can't remember, I think it was Gigi that sent me these. The little dangly, I don't have one right here, but the dangle things that you put on your zip bags, you know what I'm talking about. And there was a couple rings in there. Yeah. I have them. They're someplace. But yeah, so I'll just flip as easily as I can. I am not thrilled with this at all. They could have gone all day and not done this. How irritating. Well, it has 30, what did I say? 37, 38 colors. I don't think I have a floss dealie, you know, big enough for that. Well, anyway, they're beautiful colors. Yeah, not real sure how I'm gonna, we'll just sit there. There were no extra skeins through that whole episode, sorry. The canvas is serged all the way around. Very well printed. You got that blue, which is wherever it's that light blue, that is 939. And the yellow is B5200. So you would not have to put, the canvas is going to be white when you clear it anyway. So I can't see doing all that. I would just do the circle and do it that way. You know, it kind of reminds me of, what do you call those things? Not totally, but the hex quilts, H-E-X quilts, and they're like hex, H-E-X designs on the Amish barns they have in Pennsylvania and other places in the United States. I know that's not the only place. That just kind of came to my mind when I was looking at this. But yeah, it's very well printed. The serging does go a little bit into the numbers. If you need to see the numbers, they're perfectly fine on the paper pattern. And before I open my mouth and insert my foot, yes, paper pattern will match for symbols. So that should be just fine. Wow, that was an episode. Oh, we're not done. We're not done. Because, you know, these stores have 10,000 things that I could pick from, right? I picked 2 that are from the same company, evidently. Yep, you're seeing it. Goodness. All right. Flip it over. So I got one of the cats. It was $16.30, and it is a 50 by 60. Don't know what made me pick it. I've just been looking at them, and they're just kind of there. And they have 2 or 3 different kinds. They may have more than that. But I kind of like this. It was just kind of out there. There's a waterfall in the center here. And you have like a macaw flying through there. There's big like hibiscus. I think that's what they're called. Hibiscus flowers. And then you have this cat. Like, this is not a leopard. It's like an ocelot, right? Isn't that what that is? An ocelot? Because it kind of looks like something I've seen before, but it's not a jaguar. So, yeah, it was just different. So, I thought, why not, right? How bad can this be? Here we are. And I think, oh, I can't think of her name. I'm just, Stitcherella has some of these cat pictures. So I thought, why not? Yeah, no. This is like confetti hell. Okay, it does come with instructions here. And the paper pattern seems, it's a little creased here and there just because it got folded wrong. But other than that, I don't see any blotches or blurs. Maybe it did, just tiny, nothing. And this part's all clear. This has 44 colors, all y'all. We have 310 black, 498, which is a brick red. We have 550 purple. No 666 red. We have 823. No 939. We have that 996, which is that medium turquoise color. We have the 3770, which is the butter yellow color. Real pale butter yellow color. And it has 3865 and no 3371. But I want you to see this. This cat. This is just like, there's the cat's head. Hang on. There's the cat's head. And this is like his knee, if you will. Like this goes down. So it's his thigh and his leg right here. Look at that. Can you ever? It is New Orleans and London all over again, because there is confetti not every inch. Like this part is fairly biggish, but the cat face, up and down and around the whole, there's like a frame right here, see? Yeah. Holy hell. Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah. Okay. Speeding right along at the speed of dirt again. Okay. So the instructions were on the paper pattern. Does come with a toolkit. We have the stag, 5 needles, poop ball thimble, and needle threader. And more of these glorious threads. What the heck? Yeah. We'll try, guys. We'll try. You couldn't have just kept that on a card. This... Let me shake it out. Give it a good poof up. And I'll just show you the threads this way. We have bright greens and we have bright oranges. And there we have some purple. Dark blue. 310 black. Didn't I say there was 310 black? I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Yep, 310 black. Gorgeous. Love those reds, and then it goes from red to orange. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. There's that blue. So, lots of beautiful colors. I'm not letting go of this because the whole thing will go ping. Yeah. Outrageous. I want to know who decided this was a great idea. I'd just like to slap them upside the head. Yeah. Okay, if you're going to do this, that's fine. Send us a ring to put them on so that they don't go 6 ways from Sunday. Because you know that's going to get into a knot. I don't know. Am I doing it wrong or what? I don't understand. I'm going to lay that right there just so nothing gets lost. Okay, canvas. You can't even see the picture. It's so dark. Oh, God. All right. I didn't see any numbers at the bottom. Hang on. Pull you out so you can see everything. Oh, here it is. I missed that on the other corner. 191 by 234. So it's a 50 by 60. I didn't even measure the last one. I was still back on the thing. So hang on. We'll just measure for prosperity. So it's supposed to be a 50. Get over there, please. 50 by 60. It's nice, soft material, though. Very nice. Okay, 59 centimeters or 23 and a third. 23 and a half. It is 23 and a quarter inches. Sorry. Holy cow. 49 centimeters or 19 and a quarter. Actual picture size is 43 centimeters or 17 inches by 53 and a half or 21 inches. But it's confetti too. Oh, yeah. Holy cow. This is a big winter project. But I just thought they were different and they had beautiful colors. And it's very well printed as far as that goes. Let me see if I can hold it as still as possible. But it's just confetti is everywhere. Yeah, the only respite you get from that is these bigger yellow areas, which is 310 black. Yeah. But the rest of it, it's like every third one. Here we go. I don't know. Just have to take a deep breath and just dive right in. What can I say? It is what it is. Okay, I guess we'll figure it out one way or another. Let me get rid of... maybe not. I'm going to keep that bag to put the thread back in. Now, GBFKE has diamond painting, cross stitch. Don't know if they have paint by number. They do embroidery. They also do custom. And they have free shipping on orders over $55. If they have any specials, I'll put that in the description box below. If I have any discount codes, that'll be there as well. And they do not have a separate Joy Sunday section. They may by now. I don't know. In my notes at that time, they did not. And I think stores are kind of starting to separate out Hooligan, DIY, and whatever else the other company is. I'm not sure, other than Joy Sunday. So they may have a separate area by now. Thank you, GBFKE, for sending me these beautiful kits. I don't know when I'll start them because, yeah, one's just about as intimidating as the other. But, you know, it'll have to be a day when I'm in the mood for confetti. Because, yeah, it is what it is. Alright, guys. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.